Welcome to this video on multilingual and multimodal customer support. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the role of generative AI in multilingual and multimodal customer support. Explain its real-world applications and list the benefits and challenges of using generative AI in this context. Imagine you're in an unfamiliar city or country with a different language, needing to return an online purchase. Thanks to generative AI, it's easy. Simply click and upload a photo of the item and describe the issue in your language. AI will translate, analyze the image, and provide return instructions in text, voice, or video, ensuring a smooth process. This is the power of generative AI for multilingual and multimodal support. So, what exactly is multilingual and multimodal support? Multilingual support is the ability to offer customer service in different languages. This is essential for companies operating internationally or in regions with multiple languages. On the other hand, multimodal support is the ability to interact with customers using multiple channels, such as text, voice, video, and images. This model allows customers to switch between modalities seamlessly while receiving consistent and personalized assistance. Next, let's explore how generative AI enables multilingual support. Firstly, generative AI uses translation models like GPT or tools like Unbabel and Translate Me to quickly translate customer queries. For example, a French customer's message is instantly translated into English for a response. Then a response in French is provided to the customer. Secondly, generative AI understands cultural nuances, adjusting tone as needed. For instance, it can reply formally in French and informally in Spanish, based on the cultural context. Lastly, AI can handle multiple languages simultaneously. For example, it can chat with a Spanish-speaking customer while responding to a German speaker in real time. Moving to multimodal support, generative AI uses a combination of techniques to enable seamless interaction. Generative AI enables seamless customer support across multiple modalities. It handles text interactions through web chat or messaging apps, quickly providing answers such as product feature details. It also supports voice queries via assistance. Additionally, generative AI analyzes images or videos to guide customers, such as troubleshooting a broken product. The key advantage is its ability to transition smoothly between text, voice, and video, allowing customers to switch seamlessly and ensuring an efficient and personalized support experience. Generative AI offers immense benefits to multinational organizations. It customizes interactions based on customer preferences, language, and communication modes by delivering personalized and efficient responses. Furthermore, generative AI's ability to quickly address a wide range of queries enhances service speed. The multilingual and multimodal capabilities also provide accessibility for customers with diverse needs, including those with disabilities or challenges who may prefer voice or text-based interactions. Another key advantage of generative AI is its scalability and global reach. Businesses can expand their services to international audiences by offering customer support in various languages and through multiple communication channels. This enables companies to serve diverse markets effectively. Generative AI-powered systems also provide 24/7 availability, managing interactions across time zones without requiring human agents to be available around the clock. This ensures continuous support, which is especially beneficial for global operations. Generative AI enables cost savings by automating routine multilingual and multimodal support and low-complexity inquiries. Businesses reduce their reliance on large teams, cutting costs associated with staffing and training. Lastly, generative AI provides valuable data-driven insights that help businesses understand customer sentiment and performance across languages and modes. Through sentiment analysis, companies can gauge customer satisfaction and identify pain points across global markets. Additionally, performance metrics gathered from generative AI systems allow companies to track and refine their support channels, ensuring optimal service delivery and continuous improvement. While generative AI offers immense benefits for multilingual and multimodal customer support, several challenges must be addressed for optimal performance. Language nuances, slang, and regional dialects can cause misunderstandings, requiring precise handling by generative AI systems. Managing customer data across languages and modes must comply with privacy regulations like GDPR. Finally, generative AI remains challenged in achieving truly natural, human-like conversations in multiple languages, especially for complex queries. The multilingual and multimodal capabilities of generative AI in customer support are useful in different industries. International e-commerce platforms often face the challenge of providing customer support in multiple languages to cater to diverse regions. They may use generative AI-powered systems to handle customer inquiries in the customer's preferred language. These systems can address orders, returns, and product information queries, ensuring a consistent and seamless customer experience worldwide. Large language models, or LLMs, are prone to inaccuracies. Generative AI, through Retrieval Automated Generation, or RAG, solves this by retrieving relevant external data and combining it with the model's internal knowledge, producing more accurate, contextually relevant responses. AI agents are autonomous programs that interact with their environment, perceive data, and take actions to achieve goals. They face the challenge of adapting to dynamic environments. Generative AI helps agents learn from data and adapt their actions, enhancing decision-making, goal-setting, and problem-solving capabilities. This integration boosts efficiency across various industries like healthcare and finance. Telecom service providers operating globally must offer efficient support in various languages for network outages or device troubleshooting issues. They can use generative AI-based voice assistants to handle calls and provide immediate solutions. If customers need further help, the system can transition to a video call, allowing agents to use visual aids for effective troubleshooting and faster resolution. Healthcare providers supporting multilingual patients face the dual challenge of language barriers and the need for visual communication. They may use generative AI-powered systems to provide text and voice support in multiple languages, interpret images such as reports, and guide patients by facilitating appointment scheduling. In this video, you learned that generative AI supports multilingual customer interactions by handling multiple languages and adapting to cultural nuances. It enables multimodal communication across text, voice, video, and images. Generative AI enhances accessibility, accelerates service, provides 24/7 global support, and reduces customer support costs. However, it also faces challenges such as managing language nuances, ensuring data privacy, and achieving natural, human-like conversations.